Welcome to Healing Health and Wellness, our little segment that we like to do. We want to introduce to you right now Dr. Matthew from Signature Wellness. And Dr. Matthew, I just wanted to ask you, how did you get into doing what you do?
Well, I was originally trained as just a traditional medical doctor, and I was trained to prescribe drugs to treat diseases like all the other doctors. But one of the turning points for me was when I was watching Oprah, and she said, after the break, we're going to have a doctor come on to tell you what vitamins you really need. And I remember I went and I got my pencil and my paper because I wanted to know. And I realized as a medical doctor, I shouldn't be getting my medical advice from Oprah. But that was really the first time that I heard a medical doctor saying that some vitamins really may have some value. And so that allowed me to open my mind and to go and learn more and more about how there was another way to really restore wellness in a way that drugs really can't.
Okay. So what would you suggest or what would you say to somebody who is looking to change their health? Where should they start?
Well, if somebody was going to do one thing to improve their health, I would say that should be using food as medicine, because food contains so many of the nutrients that our bodies need to be well, but the kind of food that's available to us today is so depleted of the vitamins and the minerals that our bodies need, so that it's really hard to stay well and be healthy. So we need whole foods, not processed foods, in order to really restore our wellness.
So, is there anything like right now that you would say to somebody who was thinking about coming to Signature Wellness or looking you up? What would you say to them?
Well, what we really do is we use a functional medicine approach, which is a different approach than what you're used to at your doctor's office. What we are doing is we are trying to define how your body is functioning. We look at which parts are working really well, and we look at which parts aren't working so well, and we work to restore balance. So we're really getting to the root cause of your symptoms, and we want to correct that so that you can feel better and so that you can stay well, instead of just treating symptoms with the drugs.
Well, I would just like to say that I'm grateful to have Dr. Matthew here, and I'm very grateful that I was able to go into Signature Wellness and that I am working with them now to get my health together and get things going and starting to feel better already. And I would just like to say, give them a call, because her staff is just wonderful, and working with them I have learned so much. So I'm just going to ask Dr. Matthew just to share her final thought, if she could leave one with you.
Yes, so what I would say is, if you are depending on your doctor to write you a prescription in order to make you well, it's not going to happen. You need to take some personal responsibility, and you need to be your own advocate and take charge of your own health, because that's the way that you're going to be able to get well.
Thank you so much, Dr. Matthew.